Oh, you won't waste any more ripe bananas when you can make these easy cookies. So I've got a cup and a half of oatmeal here, some pepitas and some chopped raisins and craisins, and a little bit of ginger, spice, some cinnamon, and I'm throwing in a tropical blend of doTERRA, so I'm adding some chopped kiwi. Well, you won't ever waste any more bananas when you find out how easy it is to make these I'm making a tropical blend cookie today with just a cup and a half of oats, some chopped craisins, raisins, some pumpkin seeds, and xylitol, as well as I'm adding one chopped kiwi and some fresh ginger. So I think it's a really easy cookie recipe. You'll like to see them when they're done. I'll be back. So there they are, ready to bake. I sprinkled a little cinnamon and xylitol on top of them to give them a nice crusty finish. There you go. And done. They smell wonderful. Can't wait to try one.